What's good, YouTube? In today's video, this is SC Fish keeping back with another banger for you guys, but not an ordinary vlog though, with the red tail, which he's looking nice right now, but for aquaponics video. So hit the subscribe button, tune in, turn on post notifications, hit everything, and comment down below what you guys think about this video. But for the most part, this is called a pothos plant. I got the light shining right now because that's how I kind of give them that sunshine so they can get the benefits that they need as I keep posting them in this tank. But for the most part, I stole these off of my dad's plant because he grows a lot of these and they spread all over the place. So I just break a couple of them off and stick them in the water, because in maybe 2 to 3 days you will get some roots growing, and I can show you that in a minute. But if you guys are new here, please tune into the channel, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. But like as I was saying though, this, like, sometimes they die out depending on the temperature of the water, but the plant never dies because the nutrients in the water. But the bigger the vine plant grows, the more nitrates it sucks out of the water. So that's the thing that I'm working on right now, is growing it to actually live longer and actually be more productive, and I would have more results of how big the roots are. But I know the roots that are in here are probably connected through the filter padding, so I'll have to pull the whole thing. But I'm gonna give it some time on that, and I'm gonna actually let it grow and kind of mature a little bit. But I am gonna show you guys the roots. If you guys watched the previous daily vlog videos, I had just installed this, and I just let the food, because I got the current pushing this way, so whatever food get trapped in here sinks down, and as these plants are sucking the nitrates out of the water, all this debris right here is turning into basically nutrients for the plant to grow. And as you can see, it's a stem, it's a new root actually growing. So probably by the next time you guys watch my next daily vlog of the red tail, you guys could possibly see that even longer, and it might be touching one of these pellets that the fish did not eat as I'm doing the water change. So don't get on me in the comments down below. But yeah, like, it's super easy. You can do it with the goldfish bowl. I will do that. Shout out to DIY for that. But I'm gonna also do it inside my turtle plant, kind of actually. We're just gonna do day by day growth. I guess that's how my channel is. So we're gonna do day by day growth until we get back going into the exotics and doing things like that. But as you can see, you can put these plants anywhere. So wherever your tank is, as long as it's natural sunlight somewhere in the area, you can be able to hold it. It'll be able to stay live for a long amount of time, but it's never gonna run out of water. But I can pull, I'm gonna pull one out and just show you guys, not that one. Something that's been for a minute. So as you guys can see, the roots are growing once it focuses. I'm talking way too fast, but it's a lot going on here. I'm doing the water change and trying to make a video. No cameraman, but you can see the new growth. So the new growth means that it's getting bigger. But I learned that as I grow, because you can't have it to a certain temperature because it'll be too hot. But everything's definitely looking good, so you should definitely invest in a pothos plant. You can get them from like Lowe's for probably about $10 because it's a big plant, and you can just break the stems off and just test it out, put it in a glass jar or whatever, and in the meantime it'll actually show you that it can grow roots. So that's going to be another, there's also going to be a part 2 to this once I do it on the outside pond. But these are not yearly plants. They will die off and grow back, but initially you should just bring them in the house to keep them alive all year round. But if it's going to be in one of your aquariums, then there's no problem with that. But as I'm doing the water change right now, I'm going to put some fresh water in here, and by the time you guys might see this video, it might have had some new growth by now, because I know where I am in South Carolina, it is a lot of metals and chemicals in the water. So I know that these plants are going to jump, especially with the light that I have on them. And I'm just using that light just to kind of give them a little boost, so I could be able to give you guys a little bit of proof. But you can see some roots right here before I end the video. Some new growth roots. So trust me when I say it works. We just got to give it some time. So thank you guys for watching. This is something new actually, because I never thought I would be into aquaponics until it started helping me save my fish. But you will see a lot more of that if I do get a specific type of fish, and I will tell you why whenever that video drops. But for the most part, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. 75% of y'all are not subscribed. Y'all been slacking lately. We trying to get to 400, but right now let's get to 350 subs. If we get to 350 subs, I'll drop a banger video. So a lot of things is coming back to this channel, so please be sure to tune in and feel free to subscribe. It's free, so why not? So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.